If you're a Shopify merchant looking for funding to grow your business, Shopify Capital could be a great option. It offers quick access to funds with flexible repayment terms. Here's how to apply. Number 1. Check eligibility. Shopify Capital is an invitation-only program. This means you can't directly apply unless Shopify has already identified your store as eligible. Eligibility is determined automatically by Shopify's underwriting model, which analyzes various factors about your business, including sales performance, consistent sales history, volume, and frequency of orders. Duration on Shopify. Your store must generally be active on Shopify for at least 90 days. Some sources say 3 months. Shopify payments usage. Using Shopify payments is a significant factor. In some locations, it's mandatory. Compliance. Adherence to Shopify's acceptable use policy and terms of service. Customer engagement. Level of customer interaction, low refund rates, and minimal disputes/chargebacks. Location. Shopify Capital is currently available to select merchants in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. If you're eligible, you will receive an email notification and a message will appear on the homepage of your Shopify admin dashboard, inviting you to view available funding offers. Number 2. Review and select an offer. Once you receive an invitation, log into your Shopify admin and navigate to Finance Capital. Here, you'll see the funding offers available to your business. Shopify typically presents a few different options with varying amounts and repayment terms, either a merchant cash advance or a loan. Merchant cash advance, MCA, you receive a lump sum, and Shopify collects a fixed percentage of your daily sales until the total agreed upon amount is repaid. This option is available in Canada and the UK, and also the US. Loan, you receive a fixed sum, and you repay it with a fixed borrowing cost over a set term, typically with a percentage of daily sales or scheduled payments. Loans are typically available in the US and Australia. Carefully review the terms of each offer to ensure it aligns with your business needs and repayment capacity. The offers are usually non-negotiable. Number 3. Submit application and documents if required. After selecting your preferred offer, click Apply Now. Shopify may ask you to verify your identity and business details. In some cases, especially for larger funding amounts, or if there's any uncertainty, you might be required to submit additional documentation, such as balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements. If documents are required, you'll be prompted to upload them through your Shopify admin. You can upload multiple documents and provide explanations if any are missing. Number 4. Approval and funding. Once your application is submitted, Shopify reviews it. The review process usually takes 1 to 3 business days, though it can sometimes take longer. If approved, the funds are typically deposited directly into your business bank account within 2 to 5 business days. Number 5. Repayment. Repayment is automatic. A percentage of your daily sales for MCAs or loans, or scheduled payments for loans, will be automatically deducted from your Shopify sales until the full amount, original funding plus the fixed fee/cost, is repaid. This flexible repayment structure means you pay back more when sales are high and less when sales are slow. You can monitor your repayment status, daily sales revenue, and remaining balance directly in the Capital section of your Shopify admin. Important notes. Shopify Capital does not typically perform a personal credit check, but they do assess your business's financial health and performance within their platform. Successfully repaying a Shopify Capital offer can increase your chances of receiving larger offers in the future. If you don't receive an offer, it means your store currently doesn't meet the eligibility criteria. Focus on improving your sales performance, maintaining good account health, and consistent engagement with the Shopify platform.